Hi everyone! I don't know about you, I'm just getting really tired of winter and snow and cold. And then the other day I found this tiny cute bunny. I think I crocheted it like last year, and this bunny had this miniature carrot. And so I thought, oh, that's a great idea. It's super beginner friendly. It's also an amazing project for yarn leftovers because you just need a tiny amount. You can use it for Easter baskets, home decor, or you can make a bunch of these and make like an Easter garland. This pattern that I'm about to show you will work no matter what yarn and hook you will use. So you use your favorite one. I wanted originally to make this tiny carrot just like this one, but then I was worried that you won't be able to see anything. So I decided to make this exact carrot but use bigger yarn and hook. So you will need orange yarn, a little bit, tiny amount of green yarn, and a 4mm hook. Yarn needle just at the very end to hide your thread, and something sharp. Okay, let's do it. As usual, we will begin with magic ring. Pinch and pull this thread through. That's it. This is your magic ring. And now we have to put 6 single crochet stitches into this ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now find the short end and pull. That's it. Round 1 is done. Okay, next round we will make 1 single crochet, 1 increase. So 1 single crochet, and to the next stitch we will make an increase. So if you're a beginner, increase just means that you're gonna put 2 stitches in the same spot. And to the same spot, second one. So that was increase. Now again, 1 single crochet, and to the next stitch, increase. So 2 will go there. 1, 2, and 1 single crochet, and you have 1 stitch left. So we will make increase. So now at the end of round 2, if you count, instead of 6, you will have 9 stitches because we made 3 increases. Round 3, no changes. We'll just make 9 single crochet, 1 to each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, round 4. 2 single crochet, 1 increase. So we'll put 1, 2, and then to the next one, increase. So 2 stitches in one spot. Now again, 1, 2, increase, and then 1, 2. The last stitch, increase. So now at the end of round 4, instead of 9 stitches, you will have 12 stitches. So round 5 then, no changes. We will just crochet 12 single crochet all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Great. Round 6, again, we will make a few increases. So 3 single crochet, 1 increase. So 1, 2, 3, and now to the next stitch, increase. 1 and 2 to the same one. Again, 1, 2, 3, increase, so 2 here, and again 1, 2, 3, and then you have 1 stitch left, so increase here, 2 to the same spot. So round 7, again no changes, we will just crochet 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Round 8, 4 single crochet, 1 increase, 3, 4, increase, and 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last stitch, increase, so 2 here. So now you will have 18 stitches at the end of this round. Round 9, no changes, just 18 stitches all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next round, round 10, 5 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase. So here, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 5 stitches, increase. So at the end of this round, we will have 21 stitch. And so round 11, no changes, just 21 stitch, 21 single crochet all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, next round will be interesting because we will be making decreases. So in round 12, we will do 1 single crochet, and then decrease. You can make decreases in different ways, but I like to make invisible decrease here. So how you make invisible decrease? It's very easy. Up to this point, you were inserting your hook under both loops, just like this, right? So that would be this would be your stitch. This loop called front loop. This loop at the back called back loop. So when you make invisible decreases, instead of inserting your hook under both loops, you have to grab just the front loop. And then right after that, you insert your hook under the front loop of the next stitch. Now you do yarn over. You have 2 loops on your hook. And now you do yarn over again. And you complete your stitch. So this will be your invisible decrease. I'll show it to you again. Let's make 1 single crochet and again decrease. So on the front loop, on the front loop of the next one, pull your yarn through, 2 on the hook, yarn over, complete your decrease. So it's pretty easy, right? So again, 1 single crochet and then decrease. On the front loop, on the front loop of the next one, 2, 1, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, and 1 single crochet. I have 2 stitches left in this round. Decrease. So it started narrowing a bit. So this was round 12, and if you count, instead of 21 stitch, you will have 14 stitches here in this round. Now round 13, you will just make decreases. You have 14 stitches here, you will make 7 decreases. So 2, decrease, 1, again, decrease, 2, again, decrease, 3, decrease, 4, decrease, 5, decrease, 6. And you have 2 stitches left. This is going to be your last decrease, number 7. So you had 14 stitches you made 7 decreases. Now you have 7 stitches. Okay, so now we can add some stuffing. I like to take something sharp and okay, scissors and just push it right inside. Okay, I think this is pretty good. It's nice and firm. So now let's make leaves. So what you'll do is you will insert your hook as usual. You have 2 loops on your hook. You'll take green yarn, put it on your hook, and finish the stitch with green yarn, just like this. It's just a little bit awkward in the beginning. And now you will crochet 7 single crochet in green. So 1, 2. Just make sure that this tiny end, this loose end, is right in front, not here, but right in front of your hook. 3. 4. 5. Okay, at this point I want to cut orange yarn. We don't need that anymore, and it's on my way. And this too, we will just tuck it in, also out of the way, so we can see better. Okay, so what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then see there's a big sort of jump between this, the first one and the last one. So what I like to do here is I go right down at the base of this one, I pull my yarn, so I have 2 loops on a hook, and now instead of doing yarn over, I just pull this loop through that one. So see, it's more even now. So now we have to make leaves with chain stitches. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then to the next stitch right here down at the base, right here, we'll make a slip stitch. Slip stitch is just pulling this loop through that loop. There you go. You will get one leaf like this. Now again, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the same thing. Slip stitch right here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch, pull this through that. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stitch. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here, I just like to do 1 slip stitch and cut thread. Pull yarn through this one. Just take a yarn needle and hide this end somewhere. And then cut it again. And then I like to take my scissors, but you can use any kind of tool, and then just push that end inside. It will get trapped in stuffing. And that's it, our super cute carrot is ready. So as you can see, let's take this bunny. It's exactly the same one. Exactly the same one, just way, way bigger. I actually think it's even cuter. I wonder if I should remove this one and give this bunny the giant carrot. What do you think? Let me know in comments. I'm curious if I should remove this carrot and stitch this big one. I hope you had lots of fun. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you soon. Bye!